Hello, IG Garage family. Have you been hit with the P0320 ignition distributor engine speed input circuit malfunction? This code can leave you puzzled with symptoms like random stalls or a stubborn check engine light. Don't worry though, I'm here to help. In this video, I'll explain the meaning of this code, guide you to the critical sensor locations, and show you how to fix the issue. Stick around and I'll also recommend 2 must-watch videos at the end to keep your car running like new. First off, what does P0320 mean? The P0320 code indicates a problem with the ignition distributor engine speed input circuit. Essentially, it means your vehicle's computer isn't receiving accurate input from the crankshaft position sensor, or CKP, or the ignition distributor system. These components are crucial for engine timing and performance. Now let's talk symptoms. 1. Check engine light illuminated. 1. Engine stalling or misfiring. 1. Difficulty starting the car. 1. Rough idling or poor acceleration. So what causes P0320? 1. A faulty crankshaft position sensor (CKP). 1. Damaged or loose wiring in the CKP or ignition circuit. 1. Faulty ignition control module or distributor. 1. Malfunctioning powertrain control module (PCM). Let's locate these sensors. The crankshaft position sensor is typically located near the engine's crankshaft pulley or harmonic balancer. In some vehicles you might find it on the transmission bell housing. The ignition control module or distributor is found in the engine bay, usually on or near the engine block. If your car uses a distributor-less ignition system, focus on the ignition coil packs and modules. Alright, how do you diagnose and fix P0320? 1. Inspect the CKP sensor. Check for visible damage or misalignment. Use a multimeter to test its resistance. Replace if it's faulty. 1. Examine wiring and connections. Look for corroded, frayed, or disconnected wires in the CKP and ignition circuits. Repair or replace as needed. 1. Test the ignition control module or distributor. Verify proper operation with a scan tool or multimeter. Replace if not functioning correctly. 1. Scan the PCM for updates or faults. Reflash or replace the PCM if it's malfunctioning. 1. Clear the code. Once repairs are complete, use an OBD-II scanner to clear the code and test drive the vehicle to confirm the fix. And that's it. Solving the P0320 ignition distributor engine speed input circuit malfunction can be straightforward if you know where to look. By focusing on the CKP sensor, wiring, and ignition components, you can have your car running smoothly again. Before you go, check out these 2 related videos for more troubleshooting tips. 1. P0235 turbocharger boost sensor circuit malfunction. 1. P0356 ignition coil F primary secondary circuit malfunction. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert tips from IG Garage. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.